How to get rid of whiteheads naturally. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is the natural healing accelerator for cuts, scrapes, and minor burns. Aloe has antibacterial and antifungal properties which can help eliminate scarring as well as reduce acne symptoms like inflammation, redness, swelling, etc. Direction: cut off some pieces of aloe vera leaves, peel the upper layer and extrude the gel. Apply this to the affected area for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with fresh water. You can do this twice a week until the whiteheads heals. Baking soda. Baking soda is a good ingredient to get rid of whiteheads because it can remove anything clogging your skin pores. Mix water with baking soda to form a paste that is thick. Massage the paste into your skin. Note: baking soda may irritate your skin and cause redness and irritating. If have sensitive skin, you'd better avoid this method. Yogurt. You can use yogurt to cleanse your skin and get rid of whiteheads on nose. Yogurt can nourish your skin from inside and outside. Yogurt contains many vitamins and the minerals such as zinc, calcium, which can help smooth your skin. Also, it can reduce the redness, moisturizes the skin and improve the overall skin appearance. Direction: clean your face and hands with a mild soap and water. Apply a plain yogurt to your face with your finger and massage gently. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with water. You can also mix 1 teaspoon raw honey with 1 teaspoon yogurt to make a face mask. Apply this mixture twice a day to remove whiteheads fast. Note: choose unflavored and plain yogurt to make face mask to prevent irritation and redness of the skin. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.